the Aigas Field Center. It's starting to rain now, so I don't know if I'm going to do the canoe trip or not. But it's kind of chilly and wet. We're in the Aigas Field Center. We're having tea before we get a briefing and look at some wildcats here. But it's quite nice inside here. And right here we're having our tea. So this is it. Tea is right in back of me here, so we'll see what happens then. Okay, this the other end of the hall, and you can see up to the upper level there. Everybody down there having tea and cakes before we get a briefing. So we'll move on. The Aigas Field Center. Today's June the 12th, 2019. This is where the wildcats are in these enclosures here. They're very difficult to see. We're at the Aigas Field Center. Well, in these wildcat enclosures, there's a cat right about here in the back. It's hard to see through the grid. He's sitting on a little platform right at the top, right about in here. So if you look closely, you might be able to see him in there, but this is a Scottish wildcat. I'm a bit of a Scottish wildcat myself here, but that's another story.